Hello to everyone. Costa here. I'm conducting the Shipmate project. Today I'm gonna show some improvements which I made in my living room, and I added some gauges and some labels on the cubicle, control cubicle in my living room. Also, I added some functionality on the levers panel. For example, Um, for example, all these 10 levers have some kind of interlocks between each other. For example, you can't tr trigger this one because of some latch. You need to latch. Um, it's just example. Another example, you can't choose the bus selector if if you can change battery selector if your bus selector is not in some certain positions, like uh, slow or okay, no, wait. It's just interlocks, physical interlocks, which I found in the manual, and also um, uh, I added some labels uh, on the um, how it called after this uh, after distribution switchboard. Uh, I'm using the Pompanito images, but thanks to Mr. Stoss, yeah, who added some additional photos on the, for example, on the slavers, and yeah, it's really great. Thanks for participation. Um, how it works? For example, if we trigger this after battery supply to switchboard, we can check. We can check uh, after battery. Yeah. After now we have 260 volts. In reality, it can be much faster than that, but never mind. I will improve some animations and setters in a while. So what we have, if we have this lever enabled, like uh, we energized distribution panel with after battery. Now we can use the battery, and as you can see, this indicator shows us exact amount of uh, voltage. Yeah, it's voltage um, on the after battery. Also, we have the uh, load and charge, discharge indications and setters. And our goal is to enable these two motors. And after that, we should see some RPMs on our ports with motor. It's not implemented for now, but to make this, we need to, for example, use bus selector and choose the battery position, yeah, battery position, and after that we, for example, uh, port reversal must be ahead of the stern. Okay, I enable this level ahead, and now yeah, nothing changes, but this lever should start um, should start some starter. Yeah, it's called port motor starter, not starter, but starter. which increases the speed of rotation based on some resistance objects or something, yeah. And it provides some smooth rotation until it's will be in serial position one, serial position two, serial positions three. Serial positions means that all, as you know, we have two physical electrical motors on both sides, two on the port and two on the starboard. And serial means that we sup supply the power to them in sequential mode, like not in parallel mode. It means that in sequence mode, all amperes goes straight. They not divided uh, by motors, but voltage on each motors will be different. And in parallel mode, the voltage on each motors uh, or potential will be the same, but amperes will be divided. Yeah, some kind of it. And yeah, I'm gonna implement this logic. It's I need some additional time or something. Also, we have the governor. Governor. It's for generator. Um, Generator is the some electrical motor which attached to the diesel engine. Yeah, and initially we have to start the diesel engine by compressed air. Yeah. It's not working for now, but um, yeah. So I have to add some logic or something. mm, RPMs, um, compressed air, compressed air. I can't remember where it's compressed air, but yeah, initially we have to open some kind of exhaust value, supply valve. It's yeah, need lots of things to do in our engine rooms. Yeah, and yeah, it will be fun to see how it works. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah.